Mortgage rates are at the lowest we've seen all year. Home price growth is cooling and supply is outpacing demand. We have a nice little window of opportunity here for home buyers. How long will it last? Will it get even better? Let's find out. House hunters should keep in mind that window of opportunity for buyers could be short. New listings have lost steam, essentially flat year over year, and would-be sellers are finally realizing that they may not get the price that they want for their home. Additionally, lower mortgage rates could bring more buyers and more competition. Mortgage purchase applications have been increasing all year as well. Should serious home buyers consider taking this window of opportunity to act fast and lock in a mortgage rate at the lowest levels we've seen since October while having the ability to negotiate their offer price? That's the question. And if this market has taught us anything over the past 3 years, it's that these little pockets and little windows of opportunity don't last long. Let's go to the charts to see this thanks to Barry and MBS Highway. We're looking at a 1-year look back of the 6% 30-year coupon. And as you can see, there's quick little windows of opportunity here. Keep in mind, this chart isn't mortgage rates, rather mortgage-backed securities. So in short, when mortgage-backed securities improve, so do rates. So these little improvement spikes are only around for a few days. I'd love to say that the overall trend is that rates are going lower, but the technicals just don't support that yet. You can see we've been in this range all year. That being said, I do believe that we will head towards 6%. We made this point earlier this year in our wild card show. Barry talked about it, and it's Logan's favorite topic as well, and it's been in my PowerPoint all year. Heck, Barry even talked about it on Friday. We know the administration's goal is to get the 10-year down to 3.9%. And you couple that with a lowering mortgage spread of 2.2, 2.3-ish, and we could see rates in the low sixes relatively soon. This is something we and many others have talked about all year, and it would be really, really cool if another one of our wild cards hit again for us. Now, why is 6% so relevant? Logan and Housing Wire did a pretty good job explaining this last week. In short, mortgage rates have dropped to a year-to-date low of 6.5%, sparking hope that a move towards 6% could unlock significant housing demand. Historical data shows us that when rates approach 6%, purchase applications, home sales, and builder confidence all rise sharply, with past drops to this level leading to hundreds of thousands of additional home sales. If rates could consistently stay near 6%, existing home sales could potentially increase by up to 500,000 annually, bringing the market closer to 2019 performance levels. I'm seeing some nervous water in the market right now, guys. I love to fish. And on the river, nervous water is that water that isn't slick and it's not raging, it's just right. And that's where the opportunity is and where you can land a ton of fish. We're seeing that show up in mortgage applications as well, up considerably year over year. Now, that hasn't translated into a ton of sales yet, but as Logan stated, it could unleash up to 500,000 more opportunities and lenders that doesn't even take into account the rate and term and cash out refinance opportunities. Now we'll leave you with the graph that may have a sneak peek into where these opportunities are. This is change in active inventory by state, and you can see easily that Colorado, Texas, Washington, Florida, and Utah are all up considerably, foreshadowing some real nice opportunities for home buyers. The market's giving us a rare and fragile gift right now: lower rates, cooling prices, and growing supply in key states. But how long before that window slams shut? Will rates actually touch that 6% mark that has historically unlocked a surge of demand? And if they do, will you be already in a home or still waiting on the sidelines while competition floods back in? That nervous water we're in right now doesn't last forever in fishing or in housing, and those who cast their line at the right moment tend to land the biggest catch. Now, the data is telling us where the fish are, and the question is, are you ready to reel them in before they swim away? Okay, guys, I know I ran with that analogy a little bit too much, but you guys get the point. This is a great show to share with potential home buyers and also share within the office and then talk about how to best leverage the position we are in, and we'll see you guys next week.